let's take a look at hand number 1. And our auction is pretty vanilla. South opens 2-0, showing 20 to 21 total points. North transfers to spades by bidding 3 hearts. South accepts the transfer, and then North gives a choice of games call of 3-no, saying, hey, partner, let's play in 3-no if you hold only 2 spades, and if you have 3 or more spades, then correct to 4 spades. In this case, South chooses 3-no. And the opening lead is the 3 of hearts. All right, so we're in no trump. We're counting sure winners and then finding our working suit. Well, this is going to be a question of which black suit is our working suit. But let's start with counting our sure winners. And we do that in both hands. So we have 1 spade winner and 2 heart winners and 1 club winner and 3 diamond winners. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 winners. Okay, if we do our declare thought process, the net, we need 9. We need 9. We have 7. So we need to create 2 more tricks to make our contract. And then we get to the first T, which is our technique. All right, so we have 2 working suits. We have spades and we have clubs, and we're 5-2 in both, so the shape is not the determining factor. The determining factor is that we have the ace jack 10 of spades and the ace 10 of clubs. We have more honors in the spade suit than the club suit. Now, if either clubs or spades breaks 3-3, right, which is 36% of the time, well, then we've got our 2 additional tricks. So if we could get lucky or know in advance which suit was breaking 3-3, that would be our working suit, but we don't know. So we're going to look at the 2 suits, and in the spade suit, we have a second chance other than the 3-3. Pretty much clubs, we need clubs 3-3 to get our 2 tricks out of clubs. But because of the extra honor in the spade suit, we want to choose the spades because not only do we get it if it's long suit development, right? 3-3 break, but we also get it, our extra 2 tricks, when spades are 4-2, which is more likely, and that 2 is an honor doubleton. HD, I'm going to call it honor doubleton. So in the spade suit, we're going to play for an honor doubleton in either defender's hand. So it doesn't matter. We don't have to count out the hand before we start playing on spades. In fact, we're going to go right to spades as soon as we win this heart. Our second T in the declare thought process is the transportation. Now, from going from south to north, we have the king of hearts as an entry and the king of diamonds as an entry. And the working suit is spades, our long suit. So at trick 1, or early in the hand, we want to make sure that we preserve our entries to the long suit. So once it's set up, we can get back over there.